What's up guys, I'm Travis and this is how I do things. I freaking love Amazon. Over the years I found some pretty amazing woodworking products on Amazon you should know about. So I'm going to talk about my top 20 favorite Amazon products for woodworking and put links to all of them down below as well as the pricing at the time of me making this video. And number one is my DeWalt DW735RS table saw. The RS stands for rolling stand. Currently my DeWalt table saw is my favorite woodworking tool and you can pick one up right now on Amazon just like this for $650. So far this saw has been plenty powerful for any woodworking project I might want to do. It's also pretty accurate. I've even used it for building cabinets. In addition, this is one of the few job site saws that allows the use of a dado set. With my small workshop, I love that this saw gets folded up and stowed away when not in use. This saw comes with lots of adjustments to improve accuracy. It also comes with nice safety features like a riving knife and a blade guard. While this saw is actually pretty good right out of the box, I made some other improvements and you can learn more about those improvements over on my website, which I've linked down below, or on the rest of my channel. Number two, my DeWalt DW735 thickness planer. My DeWalt thickness planer is my next favorite woodworking product and it's available on Amazon right now for $5.99. I use this planer for a number of things, including milling down rough sawn lumber, making cutting boards, and flattening glue ups under 13 inches wide. I even set up this simple dust collection system. It works great and I bought all of these products on Amazon. One upgrade I would recommend for this thing is a helical cutting head. When you're trying to make really nice things, they're almost necessary. They're pretty expensive, but they do leave a nicer cut and they're quieter. Number three, DeWalt planer stand. Once you have your planer, it's the next thing you're gonna want. Of course you can build your own. However, for $157 on Amazon, you can just move on to building much more fun projects. And frankly, with the cost of lumber right now, I don't even know if you'd save that much money by building your own. This stand rolls, has a wheel lock, and it's extremely heavy duty. It even has a nice shelf. You can also buy this stand with the planer as a package on Amazon. Number four, DeWalt planer infeed and outfeed tables. These DeWalt folding infeed and outfeed tables are super high quality and they're available on Amazon for $45. They also fold up for storage and are adjustable. Once you get them installed and properly adjusted, they do a pretty good job reducing snipe and supporting your workpiece. You can also buy the planer with these tables as a package on Amazon if you're interested. And number five, the Metabo pin nailer. I just bought this 23 gauge pin nailer on Amazon for $75 and it is my new favorite tool. It's pretty quiet and it shoots these tiny little headless nails and they leave holes so small you almost don't need to fill them. I like to use this with wood glue on projects because the pin holds everything together kind of like a tiny clamp until the wood glue dries. You could also use this little guy for doing fine trim work. I think every DIYer or woodworker needs one. Number six, Starbond CA glue. You can pick up a starter kit with 3 different thicknesses and accelerator on Amazon for $48. Starbond CA glue is the perfect product for making quick fixtures like this or as a clamp to hold 2 pieces of wood together until the wood glue dries. It's great for stabilizing knots or doing fast repairs when wood gets cracked or chipped. It comes in several colors, which is very nice for trying to stabilize knots in different wood species. CA glue is a must-have for any wood shop, and sometimes I even use it to fix my kids' toys. Number seven, Narex 6-piece chisel set. For $140 on Amazon, you can get this high quality chisel set. They came with a really nice little storage box to put them in when you're not using them, and without doing anything, they're already pretty sharp. They use high quality hardened steel and they have nice wooden handles. If you're just getting started in woodworking and you can't afford super expensive chisels, these are a great addition to your shop. Number eight, General Tools T-bevel gauge. A T-bevel gauge can be very handy and I picked this one up on Amazon for $23. I mostly use it for transferring and measuring angles. It's especially nice when working with unusual angles or transferring the same angle many times. It also has the ability to zero out, reverse the angle, or flip the orientation of the display. There's also a quick reference ruler in the back with centimeters and inches. Number nine, a Hedgehog featherboard. A featherboard is like having an extra hand, and it adds to the quality and safety of all of your cuts by holding your workpiece tightly against your table saw fence. I got this one on Amazon for about $40. It has a wide range of adjustability and can be adjusted with one hand. While I like that it can actually improve the quality of your cut, safety was the most important thing to me. Before I had a featherboard, I used my finger. And obviously, your finger can get kind of close to the blade when you do that. As I was using my finger to hold the board tight up against the fence, I was also getting cuts and splinters in my finger. Not anymore. Number 10, Kreg concealed hinge jig. I got mine on Amazon for $53. It's a super quick way of adding concealed hinges to your cabinet doors. It is super easy to use and gives you a nice, repeatable, professional finished product. I love it because it allows me to add nice soft close hinges to all of my cabinet builds. Number 11, Makita track saw. Right now you can buy this saw with a 55-inch guide rail on Amazon for $450. Track saws are great for cutting up sheet material. They can make a very high quality cut and can even be used to make fine cabinetry. And if you're interested, there's also a cordless version of this saw. Number 12, Makita guide rails. If you already have a track saw, but you need to be able to cut something longer than 55 inches, you can buy an additional 55-inch guide rail for $95. The guide rails can be connected together with a connector kit for nearly seamless connection and can allow for very long, accurate cuts. And number 13, Milescraft track clamps. When I bought my track saw, I also bought these on Amazon for $20. I use them for clamping down my track saw guides when cutting plywood. These type of clamps are actually designed for that specifically, but you can also use them for other things. Number 14, positioning squares with clamps. These positioning squares are a fraction of the cost of the woodpecker ones at only $66. So far, I've been extremely impressed with the quality and accuracy. I use them by themselves to check things for square, but I also use them for assembling things that need to be square like cabinet boxes. Number 15, Powertec T-track kit. In the kit, you get 48 inches of track and a bunch of different types of screw down clamps for only $30. I primarily use them for making things like this table saw sled, but you could also install them flush into your workbench to make it very easy to clamp down work pieces. You can get them in different configurations and colors. Powertec also offers lots of different accessories to go with them. Number 16, Powertec fence clamps. These fence clamps cost $21 and I mostly use them for clamping things to my table saw fence. They're absolutely fantastic for making a sacrificial fence like this one right here. All you need to do is drill some holes, then use the clamps to attach a sacrificial piece to the table saw fence. This allows me to quickly take it off or flip it around. Number 17, a Fulton miter gauge. This miter gauge costs $85, but it's probably significantly better than the one that came with your table saw. It comes with a nice long adjustable fence with a flip stop. It fits in most standard miter slots, and the fit in the miter slot is adjustable. You can also quickly set angles with these positive stops. This miter gauge can certainly increase the quality and safety in your shop. Number 18, digital angle finder. This tool only cost me $17 and it's an absolute lifesaver in my shop. What's great about it is its ability to zero out the angle. This lets you determine the angle between two surfaces. It's also magnetic, so it's perfect for checking things like the angle of the table saw blade for bevels. Number 19, Sunco LED shop lights. I picked up 2 of these shop lights for $82 and they really brightened up my shop. They're energy efficient and they can directly replace your current shop lights. They're bright, but they also do a better job dispersing the light than a regular light bulb. They're also linkable, so you can connect up to 8 of them together. Number 20, folding shelf brackets. I love these things and they only cost $20 to $40 depending on the size. These brackets are strong and lock into place and fold back down super quickly. I use them here on my folding workbench and also here on my folding outfeed table. That is my top 20 Amazon woodworking products, and you can find links to all these products down below. These products will certainly make your time in your shop just a little bit better. I hope my video helped some of you guys find those products you've been looking for. Please be sure to hit like, comment, and then subscribe, and then watch another one of these awesome videos up here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So far, I've been extremely impressed with the quality and accuracy. Not anymore. I mostly use it for measuring and transferring. It also has the ability to zero out, reverse the angle, or flip the So that is my top 20 Amazon woodworking products.